Good morning, all. In this class, we are going to discuss MOSFET problems. Okay, raise the given problem is design the circuit in figure 5.21, that is determine the values of RD and RS so that the transistor operates at ID. Given drain current is equal to 0.4 milliamperes, drain voltage is equal to 0.5 volt. The NMOS transistor has threshold voltage 0.7 volt, and I given some constant values mu n COX is equal to 100 microamperes per volt square, and length of the channel 1 micrometer, and width of the channel is 32 micrometer. And also one assumption is neglect the channel length modulation effect, lambda is equal to 0. So this is the given circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, here observe the gate terminal. Gate terminal is connected to ground. Then drain and source terminals are connected to supplies through resistors RS and RD. VDD is equal to 2.5 volt, VSS is equal to 2.5 volt, minus 2.5 volt. By using the given data, you need to find or design the circuit. Designing means we have to find the resistor values in the given circuit. Here the resistor values in the given circuit are RD and RS. So by using the given data, you have to find resistor values RD and RS, right? Now come to this one. Observe here, this is a simple one. RD, a given current flowing through RD resistor. This is the RD resistor, right? This is RD resistor. One end is connected to the 2.5 volt. That is VDD is equal to 2.5 volt. Another end is equal to a given VD value, that is drain voltage is equal to 0.5 volt. Also a given current flowing through RD is ID current. That current is equal to 0.4 milliamperes. 0.4 milliamperes. So simply apply Ohm's law. RD is equal to VDD minus VD by ID. So simply apply Ohm's law, right? RD is equal to, observe here, this is RD is equal to VDD minus VD by ID, that is equal to 2.5 minus 0.4, 5 by 0.4, that is equal to 5 kilo. One resistor value calculation is over, right? Simply, we know the two ends of resistor values. Resistor, one end is 2.5 volt, that is VDD, and another end is VD. VD is equal to 0.5 volt. VDD is equal to 2.5 volt, and also a given current flowing through the device ID current is equal to 0.4 milli. So apply Ohm's law, I is equal to V by I, VDD minus VD by ID, that is equal to 5 kilo ohms, right? Now find the RS value. To find the RS value, again observe here, this is the RS branch. We don't know the value of source voltage. We have to find out the source voltage. Once you know the source voltage, what is RS? Same as previous case. RS is equal to Vs source voltage minus 2.5 divided by ID current. Okay, same as previous calculation of RD. Here RS is equal to Vs minus 2.5 volt divided by ID. Then come to how to calculate Vs voltage. Observe here. To determine the value required for RS, we need to know the voltage at the source, which can be easily found if we know the VGS. This in turn determined from the VOV. Here we use some others. Okay, VOV is considered VOV is equal to VGS minus VT over threshold voltage. Okay, VGS minus VT. Go toward the end. And one more thing is, we note that since the VD is equal to 0.5 is greater than the gate voltage, your gate voltage is ground. The NMOS transistor is operating in saturation region. So, and we can use the saturation region expression for ID to determine the required value of VOV. What is VOV? VGS minus VTH. Okay, in this expression, we have to find out the VGS, right? Already given the threshold voltage also. Now, by using this expression, ID is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this is the current expression in saturation region. ID is equal to 1 by 2 mu n COX W by L VOV whole square. What is mu here VOV? VOV is nothing but VGS minus VT, VGS minus VT whole square. Okay, substitute here, find VOV whole square, that is VGS minus VD whole square. Okay, finally VOV is equal to 0.5 volt. What is VOV? VOV is equal to VGS minus VT is equal to VOV, overdrive voltage. Okay, from this VGS is equal to VT threshold voltage plus VOV, right? Okay, observe here. VGS is equal to VT plus VOV, that is equal to 1.2 volt. VGS is equal to 1.2 volt. What is VGS here? VGS can be written as, okay, here observe here, VGS can be written as V suffix GS can be written as VG minus VS. VG minus VS. What is VG? Gate terminal is connected to ground. So VG minus VS is equal to 1.2 volt. From that, VS source voltage is equal to minus 1.2 volt. Yes, once we know the source voltage, then we can easily determine RS. So RS is equal to VS minus VSS by ID. So VS is equal to minus 1.2 minus, what is VSS? Minus 2.5. Then you can calculate the resistance RS is equal to 3.25 kilo ohm. Like that, we can easily calculate, we can easily design NMOS circuit for the given circuit parameters. Once again here the given problem is gate terminal is directly connected to ground. A given VDD plus or power supply minus power supply, and also current flowing through the device ID and the constant values, device parameter constant values like threshold voltage, mu n COX, length of the transistor and width of the transistor, drain voltage and ID. Okay, here the procedure is, by using the given data, okay, we can easily find first resistance RD. RD resistor value RD is equal to VDD minus VD by ID. You know everything, VDD, VD and ID. Then RD is equal to 5 kilo ohm. Then to calculate RS, resistor value RS, we know the VS. Then how to know the VS? We know the VGS only. Okay, how to calculate VGS? By using the current equation. By using saturation current equation, one can easily calculate VS. Okay, here in this textbook, he considers overdrive voltage VGS minus VT is equal to VOV. Remember this one. VGS minus VT is equivalent to VOV. Right. So from the given parameters, calculate VOV. Once you know the VOV, VOV is nothing but here VGS minus VT. From that, calculate VGS. Once you know the VGS, we can easily calculate Vs. Why? Because Vg is equal to ground, Vs is equal to minus Vgs, that is equal to minus 1.2 minus, I have already given minus Vss is equal to minus 2.5. Then the drain current is equal to ID 0.4 milli. Then the value is equal to 3.25 kilo ohms. Like that, we can easily design NMOS circuit for the given parameters. Sometimes, okay, in the problem, the circuit may be look like the ground terminal. Observe the ground terminal. Here in this case, ground terminal directly connected to ground. Some other cases, ground terminal, that is gray terminal, indirectly connected to the ground. Okay, this is the MOSFET transistor. This is the gate terminal. Observe here both circuit diagram. Here, first case, in this case, gate directly connected to ground. In second case, gate indirectly connected to ground through resistor RG. Okay, through resistor RG, right? Already we know that in MOSFET current flowing through this one Ig is equal to 0, so that there is no drop across this resistor RG. So this is similar to gate connected to ground. So in this case also, procedure for calculation of RD and RS is same. The next problem is yes. Okay, come to the second problem here. Second problem here it is design the circuit shown in figure 5.23 to establish a drain voltage of 0.1 volt. Okay, given data, one data is drain voltage. Drain voltage is equal to 0.1 volt. What is the effective resistance between drain and source? Observe here, effective resistance between drain and source at this operating point, and consider the threshold voltage VTN is equal to 1 volt and K dash W by L, that is equal to 1 milliampere per volt square. Okay, once again here, observe the circuit diagram. Here gate terminal is directly connected to VDD, that is equal to 5 volts. And also drain terminal also connected to VDD indirectly through resistor RD, 5 volts. Okay, this is 5 volt. This is also 5 volt. And source terminal is connected to ground. Source terminal directly connected to ground. And a given drain voltage is equal to 0.1 volt. Now in this problem, you have to determine the effective resistance between drain and source, right? So that is the problem here, given problem. Okay, first of all, you have to find out the status of the device, whether the device is operating in saturation region or non-saturation region. Observe here, since the drain voltage is lower than the gate voltage. Observe what is the saturation condition? Saturation condition, if VGS are greater than or at least equal to VGS minus VT. Okay, this is the one of the saturation condition. Okay, given drain to source voltage that is equal to VD, that is equal to 0.1 volt. greater than or equal to, what is the gate to source voltage? Gate to source voltage is equal to 5 volt minus threshold voltage 1 volt. So 0.1 greater than or equal to 4 volt. This condition is not satisfied. So that the device is not in saturation region. So that means the device is in triode region or non-saturation region. So otherwise simply the drain voltage is lower than the gate voltage by 4.9 volt. The MOSFET is operating in the triode region. Then the current equation ID is equal to, this is the current equation in non-saturation region. So ID is equal to K dash W by L, VGS minus VT into VDS minus 1 by 2 VDS whole square. Right? You know the everything value. You given K dash W by L. Okay, VGS is equal to 5 volt, threshold voltage 1 volt, VDS is equal to 0.1 volt. Simply substitute all these values, then find ID. Then ID is equal to 0.39 milliamperes. Like that, first of all, calculate the ID, drain current. Drain current is equal to 0.395 milliamperes. Once you know the drain current here in this, we can easily calculate drain resistance, right? Okay, what is the drain resistance RD? Drain resistance RD is equal to, drain resistance RD is equal to, so VDD minus VD by ID. Simply apply Ohm's law here. Okay, we know the VDD, given VD value, we calculated ID. So VDD is equal to 5 minus VD is equal to 0.1 by 0.395 milliamperes. Then that is equal to 12.4 kilo ohms. So drain resistance is equal to 12.4 kilo ohms. Right? Okay. Now in this problem given, find the effective resistance, effective drain to source resistance, right? Effective drain to source resistance. So that is denoted as small rds, that is equal to VDS by ID. VDS given is equal to 0.1, then ID is equal to 0.395, that is equal to 253 ohms. So this is the RD resistance value, RD drain resistor value 12.4 kilo ohms. Then effective resistance between drain to source is 253 ohms. Remember this one. 12.4K 253. One resistor is RD resistor, that is equal to 12.4K something. Then this one is effective resistance between drain to source. Okay, effective resistance between, this is the drain terminal, this drain terminal to source terminal, this is the effective resistance. Small rds is equal to VDS by ID, that is equal to 253 ohms. Like that we can easily solve the designing problems, right? In previous problem, in this problem also, we have to calculate the resistor values for the given MOSFET device and for the given device constant parameters. Okay, thank you.